Welcome back to Food Book. Today we're making a dish that's perfect for your next Sunday. Dawat Mutton Chana Gosht. Tender mutton with chickpeas and whole spices, all in one pot. Let's get into it. Start with a pressure cooker. Add oil and let the onions fry for 2 minutes until translucent. Ginger and garlic go in next. Toss it well. Now add the mutton, mix everything together, and cook until the mutton starts changing color. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe. Add chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Time to add the spices. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes, splashing in a little water occasionally so nothing sticks. Now pour in 2 glasses of water, close the lid, and let it cook under pressure for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, open the cooker and stir in fresh coriander. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that flavor really soaks in. Next, add the boiled chickpeas, mix well, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now pour in the chickpea broth along with water, 2 glasses total, and let it boil for 5 minutes. Finish it off with fresh coriander and green chilies for garnish. And there you have it, Mutton Chana Gosht, restaurant style, made easy at home. If you try this recipe, tag Foodbook. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.